Hi love, I'm glad you are here. Come, let me show you something new. Welcome to the channel. If you are looking for tips, styles and transformation, this channel is the right place for you. I'm going to make this video very short, fast and quick because I promised in my previous video that I was going to do a video on how to use your clipper to trim your wig, your short wig for your pixie cut. So if you want to do like a pixie cut, or you want to style your wig as a pixie cut and you don't know how to use like a comb or a cutting comb or a scissors, you can also use your clipper. So I want to like show you a video or how to use your clipper. Even if you can use a comb, you can also use a clipper. So first I brought out like 3 steps for the clipper. That was step 2, step 3 and step 4. So now when you're going to do like your pixie cut, you need these 3 steps. You need step 2. The step 2 is like the big step 2, then step 3 and step 4, depending on how you want the length to be. So for this, because I'm doing like a pixie cut, I didn't want the hair to be too long, so I want it to be like a medium, not too short, not too long. So when you're going for like a finger wave, like you want to do a finger wave, you can go for step 3. You can use your step 3. And if you want the length to also be longer, maybe you just want to like trim small amounts of hair from the hair, you can use like step 4. So preferably I will advise that you use step 3 or step 2 depending on what you're going for. So but if you're going for like a pixie cut, you can use the step 2 like I'm doing in the video. But if you want to do like a finger wave, I will advise you do the step 3, because that will help you to also control the hair, and there will still be like enough hair for you to move around when doing your finger wave. So now I place the step on the clipper and then I on it. So if you see the adjustments, I took it down. Like, I don't know how to explain the adjustments. I took it up instead of down. I took it up. That way I still wanted the clipper will be cutting shorter. You understand? I don't know if that makes sense, because if you bring it down, it's going to like be more, it's going to be long. So I just brought out the what's it called, the step, and then I placed it on the clipper and I started like trimming from up to down, like I'm doing in the video. So you don't have to be scared when doing this part, as long as your step is intact, is in place. All you have to do, just put your step and remove the fear that you're going to like spoil the hair or over trim. The step is going to control the hair, the amount of hair that is going to be leaving. Even if like you are moving it from up to down, it's going to be taking the amount, it's going to be taking little from the hair, because the step is already controlling the amount of hair that is going to take out. The only way you're going to have a problem or a challenge is when the step is off. Don't take the step off, because when you take the step off, it's going to cut very low, and that way you're going to be seeing the sewing or the cap. I don't know if that makes sense. So just make sure that the step is on the clipper, and once the step is on the clipper, you are good to go. That's it. It's very simple and easy. All you have to do, put the step and then trim. Just trim and cut to your taste, how you want the hair to be, or how you feel satisfied that you are okay with the length of this hair, and then you are good to go. For me, I was okay with this particular length, and then I was ready to style. Yeah, so guys, I just wanted to drop this here and show you guys how to cut or trim with your clipper. Let me know if you want me to do for scissors or for a comb. That's it for today, guys. So this is the result you get when you do it the way I showed you in the video, and also the same result you get for the finger wave, you are still going to be seeing the video. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Till I see you again, bye bye.